Wendy Shay kopie mu international platform bi so. Na baya ni kopie mu no. When to me an kasa Ghana yedi fufu, yedi wokpele, yedi nkran dokono. Wendy to me can say, or the most bullied artist in Ghana. Eh, na munya platform ya monton ya kakra. Ha? Munya platform ya na monton mu industry bubodin asemesi wo ho. Ya wo Black Sheriff. Oh, ya wo Kwaku Flick. Oh, ya wo YP bubodin ya Roko. Amodi ya na isamu kwasa. Wow. Tie bre, why?
The understanding he had of the industry, he could help me maneuver my way. Exactly. So, I mean, fast forward, I was hated. I'm the most bullied artist in the history of Ghana music.
That's great. Did you ever want to quit at any time?
My mom told me to quit and come back to Germany because it was crazy and it affected.
Let's go. Quite as now, quite an anchor of this anchor with me, but the better I can to also say you are the most built female artist in Ghana. Almost every show you're booking me as MC, Eastern Music Awards, a Zongo Fair, all the events have been on as MC. Me female artists are me also booking a pan for shows over Ghana. Wendy Shay. It means you are doing amazing. Me when it's a time now be rare no. Once na ye boni. Na wadidi Ghana for chi mo pena asem. Saa time na be rare mu Ghana nso de ade o mu chi kura ne sa obeyo hu so obi. Tie ho no na asesa niema no started, but to say you are the most bullied artist here. And now obviously na wonko. Because yankofo wo ho nkofo aye truly omo Ghana. Me kra me kra. TGM me ko mo de me see from say gim. Chitanka nya me na me gusu didi. So sad yanko mu wie me. Ti ya bibi sa no mane ha e game. Ti ya de say ugina mpempene, ugina ntentene say me what talent me to aso. That's the most important thing. To aso o ya de to aso. Why? Ya platform on ton. Oh. Mama fancy kwa na mkwenda kwa mera hodada.